I literally spent my day yesterday opening boxes of my old clothes. Clothes that I thought I'd never wear again. And by watching a lot of DIY videos and TikTok trends, I got inspired to upcycle some of my old clothes. What better things to do this quarantine than be creative, right? Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you haven't seen my face before, my name is Jem and I post a video once or twice a week. So if you want to follow along, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. Alright, enough talking, let's get started. Alright, the first item, we are making a tie-dye sweatshirt. But we are not actually using a tie-dye. We are going to use bleach. Tie-dyeing is such a huge trend right now, and I kid you not, it's actually addicting. I found this super baggy sweatshirt that I thrifted a while back, and I'm gonna crop this to make it more cute and something that I would really wear. Are you one of those girls that love cropping their clothes? Because that's me. It's literally the easiest way to turn your clothes into something a little bit more trendy. I'm cropping this sweatshirt according to my preference. I'm just winging this, but if you prefer to have it measured, feel free. I love cropped sweatshirt and I have tons of those. I could never get enough of it. Now it's the time. I did kind of like a zigzag pattern and used a rubber band to secure it. You can do this however you want, whatever pattern you want. I guess the design depends on how you wrap your shirt with your rubber band. I left this sit overnight just because I noticed that there was no huge difference. I expected it to turn into kind of like a rusty burnt orange, but that did not happen. I think it depends on the material of the shirt, but I actually like better how it turned out. It's black and gray, which I think is super cool, something that I would really wear outside. Plus, I get to have another tie-dye shirt with different color, so it's not that redundant, if that makes sense. So I made another one, which obviously the one I'm wearing. So I just used my old faded plain black baggy t-shirt, which is a lot thinner. With this one though, I made a mixture of bleach and water, so I used the same ratio, 1:1, and I used a spray bottle like this one. You can use whatever you have. With this one, I noticed that you can see the result a lot faster. Like literally you can see how the color changes from black to this rusty burnt orange. I let this sit for 2 hours and it turned out pretty great in my opinion. Like, I love it. I am obsessed with this. I think I'm gonna live in this for the rest of the quarantine because it's so comfy and it's so soft. The next item is this adorable dress. The color I absolutely love. So perfect for the summer. I got this one from Rose Gal a while back and I have not worn it at all. This is already gorgeous as it is, but it's too long for my liking. I was planning to have it altered, but during this time it would be kind of impossible to do that, so I took the matter into my own hands. I want to make this as a top, so I'm gonna crop it. I think this is self-explanatory. I'm just being careful here not to cut the wrong part, otherwise it's not gonna look great. And voila! I love, love, love it like this. So much better. And now it's more flattering. And look at that color with the sun and your tan. Oh, obsessed. I did the same thing on this pattern dress that I got from Shopee. If you haven't seen that haul, I'm gonna like link it down below or just click this card over here. It's like the most affordable dress ever. Like 57 pesos I think. Literally the easiest, fastest cropping out of everything. I might have cropped it too high though, but whatever. You can also make a skirt or another top from the extra fabric. The next one is another summer appropriate, this beautiful shade of yellow. I feel like this is kind of long whenever I'm wearing high-waisted bottoms, which is always. So I want to crop this a little bit. And I'm actually surprised how this turned out. So you can wear this as it is, or you don't want to waste that extra fabric there. You can use that to make a tube top, or use it like what I did here to make this top more fun and creative. This one is seriously so cute. The next transformation is also a TikTok trend. So here, grab any sleeveless top you want that is a little bit stretchy. I just have this plain old tank top that I found and almost got rid of. So here you can understand better in the video rather than I can explain it. So you want to crop the front, but not all the way, like you can see. And on the back, you want to cut literally in the middle, vertically, all the way. This looks weird, but it looks really nice when you're wearing it. Oh yeah, let's bring that sexy back, baby. This is a little bit... So just be careful when you're not wearing anything inside. If you want something more challenging and will take more time to keep you occupied, try this DIY embroidered signature jacket that I made. If you're interested to know how I made my favorite denim jacket to more aesthetic one, click the card here or the link down below. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this one. Let me know in the comments if you want more of this. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you guys next time.